Connor is my name and I'm one of the co-owners here at Image Fitness Training Global. So you're interested in getting qualified with ourselves, and this is just going to be a very quick explainer video giving you a run through of what we do and how we do it. So the way we actually break this down for yourselves, if you're looking now, you're probably on the landing page and thinking, okay, what courses do I do? What are the bundles? What are the options? So we've basically broken it down into 3 sections on this video. Okay, so 3 phases, 3 sections. Phase 1 is basically your qualification. So you're coming in phase 1 and you're getting qualified. You've got your fitness instruction, your group instruction, and your personal trainer qualifications, and they're in on your 8 weeks practical learning with ourselves. You'll also have your 2 workshops involved in that, which is your spin and your high rocks. So that's phase 1, your qualifications, hands-on, in person. Phase 2 then is the FBA program, Fitness Business Accelerator. To dumb that down, the simple, easy version of that is we figure out with yourself for 90 days, mentoring with you after your course, what type of trainer you want to be. Everybody is completely different, okay? You may be looking at this video in work, you might be considering a career change. You might be just finished school and you might be considering going into the fitness industry. Some people may want to go directly and start working in the gym and peeing off the gym floor. And then some people might actually consider this as a bit more of a side hustle, keep their full-time job and actually at nighttime or be in mornings or set up classes, whatever you want to do. So basically the 90 days mentorship that we work with you to dumb it down is find out what type of trainer you want to be and actually then figure out what way we can set up a product for yourself, what your product might look like, what your niches might be, the sort of stuff that you mightn't be too familiar with yet. And the idea is that you do the course first, you do the qualifications first, and you enjoy the qualifications, you enjoy the content, and you take your time and you concentrate on getting the most out of the course without having to stress about what you're going to do next. That's where we step in with the team that we have assembled, the team of guys and girls that are actually doing the various roles out in the industry right now, whether that's successful online coaches, gym managers who are actually hiring and setting up the trainers within those gyms to be successful within that gym, people who have set up their own studios, people who own their own gyms. These type of mentors, the ones that are actually living it right now, not just talking about doing it. So that would be phase 2, that 90 days where we figure out what it is you would like to do. We help you get that set up, figure out your product, how to sell that product, okay? Whether that's through your social media avenues, your Google Analytics, your ads, what way you want to actually do it. It's the stuff you don't need to worry about right now. We actually teach you how to do that. The marketing team have called it the Fitness Business Accelerator, but basically it's us mentoring you one-to-one on how to actually figure out the best type of trainer that you can be. And then phase 3 is actually how to take that product, okay, let's just call it a product for example. Let's just say you are going into the world of personal training and you want to do it on a gym floor. It's how to actually figure out what your product is, how to actually go from day 1 on the gym floor to actually earning money and making money as a PT, how to actually get those clients. The acquisition of the clients is one thing. So getting clients, actually, it's quite easy to do that once we teach you how to advertise properly. It's retaining those clients that is the key to a successful long-term business, okay? It's like comparing it to maybe a restaurant. If you go to a restaurant and you have an awful meal, you're going to tell your family and friends, yeah, no, it was average, wasn't great, I wouldn't be going back there in a hurry. Or a comparison to you go to a restaurant, you have a fantastic experience, the staff are amazing, and when your family and friends ask you about that restaurant, you'll be saying the exact same thing you want people saying about you. No, he or she was fantastic to work with, I've got the results I'm looking for, but more importantly, they were there, they knew what I needed, they knew me, they're actually really nice to work with. I couldn't recommend them any higher. Honestly, if you're thinking about going down the lines of a PT, give John or Mary a shout. I couldn't recommend them anymore. And your business starts building steam. But we teach you the strategies and the tools basically to do that. So phase 1, get the qualifications. Phase 2, a little bit of figuring out, and we work it out with you on what it is you're going to have a passion for. And then phase 3 is the actual foundations and putting the strategies in place to go out into the industry and actually start making money. But this isn't we're going to 10x your revenue, or we're going to make you 100,000 in 6 months. It's not. We're teaching the simple ways to actually make money, retain clients, and avoid the mistakes that so many trainers are actually already making out there, including mistakes that we probably have made, and every one of the tutors and that are going to be working with you on the mentorship, they've all made similar mistakes and have learned from them as well. So it's real life experience. If you are looking at doing the FBA course, that's your complete coaching course. If you just want your qualifications and you don't want to worry about what way to go out and earn the money, that's absolutely fine as well. You'll still get the exact same experience as everybody else on course. So you've got option 1, where you've got fitness group and PT. The group allows you to work in gyms and teach classes. Option 2 will be fitness group and PT coaching course, plugs in what the marketing team are called the FBA program, but what I've just broken down. There's a little bit more information on the page above and below, but your next step is, if you are interested in getting on board, so all you need to do is reach out to the guys. Any of the links that you see below will open up a conversation. If WhatsApp works for you, fire away with WhatsApp. If you want, you can email, or you can just fill in the details on the form and one of the guys will pick up the phone to you. But the main thing is, please feel free to pick up the phone if you do have any other questions. All right, hopefully we see you on a course soon.